How to convert multiple images to a single PDF file. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Now let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser and then search for image to PDF. Now you can directly go to image2pdf.com, and after you're there, you'll need to upload the photos. Head over to your location, that is your location wherever you have the photos, and simply drag and drop the pictures. Now I'll drag and drop this and these two right here. And after you've done all of that and it starts converting and everything is done, simply tap on combined and it should start downloading the images. Now go to your downloads and then open it up. And you'll notice that all of your images has been converted to a PDF and combined. And yeah, that is basically it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.